Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!